Dave here, how are you? What I'm doing is I'm docking some 3mm thick MDF boards. Basically these are packing for my benches, but I thought I'd show you the setup that I have here on the large bench that I've got. What I'll do is I'll put 4 sheets down in one hit. I've got some stops across the back here and one up the end, which is working off this tape, which will register the length. I've got it set to 12mm deep on the hinge here. It's coming back onto a Super Dog here and one of my Stanton dog locks on the top of the track. Here in the corner we've got a dust port, and that is connected up to my main system. The shop vac, or sorry, should I say the Festool CT26, is over there, and my track saw is Bluetoothed to it. It is plugged into the automatic blast gate up there, which activates the dust extractor down the back. All very complicated, but simple. Works a treat, because right at the end when you finish a cut, there's a blowout, and MDF is nasty stuff. So we'll throw some sheets on. I've already ripped these down on the table saw to the right width. So we'll pop those there. Grab another 2. Lovely. Pull this down. Stanton dog lock. As I say, I love these. Alright, last thing to do is to cut it. When I turn the saw on, I'm going to give it a second to get everything running. You watch. There we go. No dust. It's still pulling air. Blast gate above me is just closed, and there I have 4 cuts straight away. I'll slide the next 4 up. Done. This time I'll aim the camera up so you can watch the blast gate. There she is. It's that thing up there. Wait for it to close. There she goes. How cool is that? All good. I love it. Pretty easy, really. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.